Public School and Junior College. Standard 5th, subject EVS 1, that is Science. I am your science teacher Rashmi Walke. Students, we are learning lesson number 16 and today we will see part 3 video of this lesson. After watching this video, you will be able to understand about purification of water and water purification processes at the waterworks. So, let's start children our lesson water part 3. In last video, we learned about pollution of water. When other substances get mixed with water, it becomes impure. Before water is supplied to a town or city, it is compulsory to purify it. So, in last video we learned a simple method for filtering the water. Today we are going to learn water purification processes at the waterworks. Waterworks is a building where a supply of water is stored and cleaned before being distributed to the public. So, in water purification processes, there are settling, filtration, oxygenation, and chlorination processes are there. So, let's see these all processes one by one. First process is settling. The water from the water source is allowed to stand in a large tank. Alum is also used to help the process of settling. Next one is filtration. Water is filtered using a filtration machine. The next one is oxygenation. Air and water are allowed to mix with the help of pumps. This causes oxygen from the air to dissolve in the water. And last one is chlorination. Chlorine is mixed in the water to kill the germs in it. Students, let's see these all four processes with the help of video. While treatment on impure water, first big things are separated from it like tissues, water bottle, etc. Then this water sent to a big tank. These tanks are called as settling tank. In this settling tank, water is kept for some hours. Then mud and sand settle down due to gravity. Alum also used to settle down the suspended particles downside. Whatever solid particles settle downside are called as sediments. That's why we called these tanks as sedimentation tanks also. After sedimentation tank, this water is sent to filtration tanks. In filtration tanks, sands and gravels are there. At the bottom, gravels are there, and at the top, sands is there. And it is packed, these two layers packed like that. They have small pores size and it acts like a filter. It acts like a filter, and that's why when water passes through these layers, germs, bugs are get trapped into these small pores. Then also some impurities flow with the water. These impurities which flow with the water may contain microorganisms or bacteria. So, after Filtration tanks. The third, this water is sent for oxygenation, where with the help of pump, air and water are allowed to mix, and this causes oxygen from the air to dissolve in the water. After this, water sent to chlorination tank, in which chlorine gas, with the help of chlorine gas, water is treated, and because of this all the germs killed, and this water is now ready to drink. Now the purified water is stored in the water tanks and supplied in towns through underground pipelines. Water goes several processes before it reaches to our taps. For making water extra safe for drinking, we can follow simple methods like filter or boiling the water. So students, we learn today water purification process at the waterworks. In that four methods are there: settling, filtration, oxygenation and chlorination. In settling, we are using alum also to settle down the all suspended particles in the water. Then filtration. In filtration, we are using or we are passing that water through a small pore size by using sand and gravels. Then oxygenation. In this process, with the help of pumps, air and water are allowed to mix. Because of this, oxygen from the air dissolves in the water. And lastly, chlorination. Chlorine is mixed in the water to kill the germs in it. Thank you, students.